Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I am here today on Red Beach at Guadalcanal. This is the landing beach where the 1st and 5th Marines of the 1st Marine Division first landed on August 7th, 1942. This was the first offensive action of the United States during World War II. And it wasn't really all that well planned out, to be completely honest. The Marines are quite fortunate that this landing ended up being completely unopposed. So Red Beach here was chosen as the original assault beach, or as the one assault beach for Guadalcanal. It's 1,600 meters, 1,600 yards of just gorgeous tropical beach, frankly. There's no coral reef. It drops off into nice deep water. It was a very easy approach for landing ships. Could have been really bad if the Japanese had heavily defended the island, but as it turned out, the US thought there were 7,000 Japanese soldiers here. Turned out there were actually like 260 infantrymen and about 3,000 mostly Korean laborers working on the airfield at what would become Henderson Field. So the Marines managed to land here unopposed. Within a day or so, there are 11,000 US Marines on the beach. They come in here and then they head down that way towards the airfield. It's a couple kilometers away. The whole idea is we have a good beach here and we want to come in, have a good landing, organized, and then move on to our main objective, which is the airfield, which is the whole point of Guadalcanal. Now, while this is going on, the exact same morning, there are two other amphibious assaults taking place just across the strait over here. So the big island that you can see, well, almost see back there under the rain clouds, that's Florida Island. And just in front of it, a little bit out of view, the islands are in view, but you can't really distinguish them from Florida. There are the islands of Gavutu, Tanambogo, and Tulagi over there. The Marine raiders would assault those beaches this same morning. They would face opposed landings, but we'll talk about those actions in a separate video because we're going to be going over there and taking a look at those islands as well. Anyway, I thought it'd be cool to give you guys a little introduction to Red Beach, where the first amphibious assault that the U.S. Marine Corps did in World War II actually took place. Now, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little look at this. Big thanks to war historian Battlefield Tours for arranging the tour that has us out here on the island today. Keep watching. We'll be covering a whole bunch of different aspects of the Guadalcanal campaign.